Imohio koe. Did you know? Coughing and sneezing into your elbow is one way to prevent spreading droplets that can cause flu-type illnesses. Be a kaitiaki for your whānau. If you need to cough or sneeze, do it in your elbow. This is just one way to protect ourselves from COVID-19. Kia pū mo te ora to maintain well-being.
Iwa te kaumā iwa ira ono, tō mita, tōrohe, Ngāti Hine FM.
Iwa te kaumā iwa ira ono ki whāngarei nei. Iwa te kaumā iwa ira tahi tuatu I hiku rangi morena e te iwi. I love you. That's been the whole thing.
The crowd goes wild.
To the good life. Oh, it's good to be back with everybody.
Yes.
Oh, no.
Morena.
Everybody at home.
Up, one to the front and to the side. Hey, tip it on low and pop. Up and front and overhead, round and round, we're a cowboy now. I tell you what, I'm a DJ dancer.
Oh.
You know, I
In your seat.
You're welcome. That's all I've got to say.
You're welcome. Morning, everybody. It's good to have you all back here online with us. Gosh, it's been a week of missing you all.
Yes, live on air, live on live.
Everywhere.
Kei te ora marika maiwa, tauwa, tātou.
Well, where's
Rātou koutou mātou.
Kia ora. That's our catchphrase right there. So last Friday you weren't able to. No, you were here last Thursday.
Last Thursday you had like a boys' studio.
That's right. You and I on Friday because Phoenix wasn't here. You went here Thursday. Where's Phoenix today?
Check under a list of excuses.
That's so good. She can't run a list of excuses.
Jay, she sent us a message, yeah. And of course, you know, we're so understanding not.
I was like, just happy skirting, buddy.
Morena, welcome back online.
Yes, hi everybody. It's been a while, but look.
A lot has happened.
A lot has happened. I mean, you've been actually, we're all really, really busy, but you've been like tippy Heidi everywhere.
Look, I'm building up to a big fat holiday. Okay, so do the mahi right now and Taria te wai, Luke. You'll get the treats, yes. Yes.
But even when you came home from doing your mahi, you were still mahi hard. I saw your Instagram.
It's the time of the year. People just want this. And they want it yesterday, and then both of us like, okay.
All right. Oh, okay. From Perth, Western Australia. Kia ora, Kōwhai. Amazing.
WA. Must be hot over there, mate.
The WA.
The WA.
Is that near it?
Out in your thongs, your Barbie.
Or your nothing.
No,
you know, clothes.
Not in the WA, mate.
Oh, the WA.
It's Crocs over there.
Oh, don't come at me with those Crocs. Someone put on their Instagram.
Actual Crocs.
Oh.
Not shoe Crocs. Hey, come
fair
on.
Enough.
It's a vibe now, eh? Like
Crocs or Crocs?
Shoe Crocs are well and truly in.
I saw yesterday on Instagram, someone's was so shocked they saw a pair of Crocs that are now got a heel on it to make a high heel.
Oh, no, those are ugly.
No.
Look, I don't wear Crocs and I don't really like the style, but when some people wear them, I'm like, you look cool.
You look cool.
And now the new thing is to just buy the accessory for the Crocs.
There's an accessory?
Yeah, like you know how you can put like buttons or whatever?
Oh,
like bling on your Crocs. So if your mates are into Crocs, you can buy them bling.
Oh my goodness me. There we go. Oh, Morena from Tūrangi.
Cheers, right?
Look at that. Our viewers are back. We've missed you all, actually. It's a little bit harder when you do a radio show without the online.
Yes.
You keep looking at
because we couldn't go online. We were on air, but we couldn't go online because, I went as Phoenix, went all over Te Tai Tokere. I got to say, such a cool trip.
Oh, I saw your post and it looked very, it was just very warming. It looked like you had a cool, corridor and everything, with all the people and...
Yeah, well, we started off with caught the ferry over car ferry at Rawene. That was a vibe. I was like, oh, cool. We went to Panguru, and I haven't been there during the day. Because you know how you go to Panguru, we went there for tangi or something.
Yes.
But it's always after work, so you get there.
And it's late.
You gotta te kapua te
Aye.
pō.
Aye.
Yeah, but we went there during the day. I was
And
like,
it was-
is this how you get there?
Oh.
Yeah.
I think
And
the
it's
last time I went there was
very
at
cool.
school.
Yes, well, the last time I went to the kura, Whaimana is still there. Kia ora, Marcia.
Oh.
And so she was still there. And the kura is like so flash.
Wow.
Love it. Love that for whangiru. And so we went there. Haven't been there since Pompeii.
Yeah, because I was going to say the last time I went there, I remember with Whati Te Wake was still at the school there.
Yes.
Yes,
Well, we
with
went
the
to
big
go
koi.
interview his
Woo.
parents
Oh, cool.
and some of his kaumātua. So that was cool.
Nice.
Yes, but all around Te Tai Tukere, and one whakaaro that I have
Yes.
is Luke, we need to find someone that comes from the far north with some land, preferably
Oh.
to the coast, close to the coast.
Oh, you were in the beautiful Ahipara.
Oh, Tihei Mauriora. But I got to say, I got to give it up to the far north, both coasts. Beautiful.
Oh, it is stunning. Oh, we don't realise how lucky we are to have it.
Yeah.
But, you know, hey.
But then even the
Keep them
far northers, if you're out there and you don't live in the far north, but you're from there, you're playing up. What are you even up to?
Yeah. Your
Ah.
whare looked stunning.
He tino pai, mihi ana ki te whare rā, ki te whānau.
Aye.
The name is, what's the name? Gems
Gems.
with a Z.
Gem is my name.
Gems Ahipara Lodge.
Hey.
And they have like their whānau home down the bottom.
Oh.
They're connected as a what is it? Self-contained unit up the top where we
Is that where
were.
you were? Oh.
2 rooms, 2 en suites,
Oh.
and a lounge and kitchen. Then down the bottom to the right, they've got another self-contained unit, which were the twin daughters were in at the time.
Cool.
Very lovely whānau. They made us cookies.
Oh.
We were there for the whole week. It was great.
E whānau Māori?
Kao. E whānau, kare te Pākehā no konei, no
Ah.
wahi ke atu.
Oh, cool though. That's cool.
Yeah.
Nice.
Exactly. Well, you Ahiparians, you've got it.
Yes, right on the beach. It's stunning up there. People
No,
are lucky.
e mihi ana ki te whānota. And we met some really cool kaumātua all
Mm.
around.
That looked cool.
Yeah, one highlight was this matua from up in Ngātaki, 80-something, 83.
Oh.
Hair muscle man today.
Chad.
Couldn't even fit a shirt. Muscles. No, Fitz-a-go, you wouldn't even think he was 80-something.
Wow.
Anyway, it's from there. He knew Auntie Mary, the Raharasis, from down Kimberley Road.
Oh,
Um,
cool.
And
Oh, is that why you had Kimberley Road? Yes, I was trying to work. Oh, that looked.
And did you think because Mum wanted me to
I
name
thought it was
me
because your middle
Kimberley?
name. Oh, it was going to be no. Sorry, sorry. No,
My actual name was
I
going to be
thought
Kimberley.
it was going to be yes, because your mum wanted to call you Kimberley.
I wonder why. I always thought she liked that, but then I was thinking maybe is it a link, Mum, if you're watching? Is it a link to Auntie Mary or nah? Just because it's cool.
Because it's a cool name.
Cool Kimberley.
Could you imagine if you were Kimberley? Because my mum apparently wanted to call me Tyson or Tyrone.
Tyrone and Kimberley. Which one would you choose, Tyson or Tyrone?
Tyson.
Oh,
Ooh.
get her.
Yeah, good day. My name is Tyson. Hey,
I'll probably
it's
be
Tyson.
called Kimmy.
Kimmy. Kimmy.
Hey, Kim.
Hey, Kim. You Ty?
Hey,
Tyson.
Kim.
Tyson. Hey,
Tyson.
you good day. But I probably would have 5 kids and a wife or something.
Hey, Tyson.
And working in like the logging and like, yeah, good day, my
Kia
name's Tyson. Hey, you want to go for a DB draft? I can't do it. I can't.
Wow.
Is
Get
that what
up.
they do? I don't know.
No, I don't know.
Anyway.
Anyway.
Yes,
Yes, great to whānota.
yeah, good on you. Yes, I know you've been missing this at home. It's time for Ngā Tohu Huarere. O Te Rā. Hey, Kim, did you sign in?
Have you seen that? Did you sign in? It's about the RSA sign-ins.
No.
It's like a, what do you call it? A skit. But these 2 comedians wrote a song about signing in. You know how you go to the
Yes,
RSA.
yes.
Have you signed in?
Yeah.
Yes, Kim, I have signed in. Ask Jim. And then like it just goes on and on. I just need to check if you signed in.
Because it's so like important.
Yeah.
Oh, well, it's currently 19.7 degrees right here in Te Whanga o Rei Pai Kohi Ngā Kūtai. It should feel like 21 degrees though. So not just 20 degrees, it should feel like 21.
It is pretty mahana.
I tell you what, my...
Moist.
You've missed it. It has been moist. This morning was moist. I keep waking up because I was like, I'm
You need a
sweating.
t-shirt that says that.
I do. Awesome
Let's
undies.
do it. Oh,
Moist.
you need a contract with budgie smugglers.
Yeah.
Because, I mean, what's his name? Connie Harrell? Is it that right? Is
I
that
don't
right?
know. Who's that?
He plays league for Tonga. And
Oh, well, hello. He's
used
an
to be-
athlete.
yeah, but like, you should see his design. It's like, mate, you could do that.
Moist. It's moist. Well, yeah, it's currently 19.7 degrees. It should feel like 21 degrees in Tamaki Makovid. Hey, welcome to freedom, guys.
Welcome.
No
it was
mai.
so cool seeing them out and having brunch and lunch and dinner and
yes, and
stuff.
hugging and like, woo, and
Yeah.
making babies. Woo.
Hard. You did the most.
You did. It's currently 19 degrees in Tamaki Makovid. But hey, it's a high of 26 degrees here, so it's a very warm day. One layer today, 92% humidity. And, oh, look, the weather person has just said cloudy with odd shower. Hey, it's been a big weekend for them too.
Kia ora.
There you go.
Ki ngā tai o whāngarei, high tide will be at 10:15, low tide at 4 o'clock, then high tide, Luke, if you're keen, 10:30 tonight.
Actually,
It might be hot.
that'd be quite nice.
Is the sun still up? No, it goes
No,
down
it's-
at 8:30, or something like
there
that.
you go.
Yeah.
But-
And Maramataka.
Now,
Yes.
it's been a while. Cue sexy voice mask, yeah?
I know. I remember us doing this on Friday, and it was cringe. I hate doing the sexy
You're
voice.
fine.
Do you want to do it?
No.
Oh, see, you're ready, Tyson.
No.
Give us the Maramataka, Tyson.
No. Oh my
I'll sing.
God. Okay. Is that all I have to say?
Yeah, but you say it
Okay.
like this is the wahanga.
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Tēnā tātou katoa, ko te maramataka o tēnei rā, ko oho ata te ingoa o tēnei maramataka. Ko te whakaaro e pāna ki tērā maramataka, ko new life, new beginnings, the river of life is flowing. Make sure the flow of your river flows. New life, new beginnings. Oho ata. Maramataka. Māori culture. Māori New Year. Wairu ao Taro hae.
That's good.
It was good.
I don't know about sexy, but you've definitely got like a. You've definitely got like a.
Thank you.
It was like a movie one.
You sound like
a-
Batman. Oh. Okay,
Batman.
movie one. Yeah. Oho ata.
Yeah. Coming to theaters near
Oh,
you.
that was ridiculous.
Kia
Morena
ora.
puti. Puti.
Kanehana
You sound just like Batman.
Batman. Righty, Tiwi, that's Ngā Tohu Huarere mō tēnei wā. Today, of course, we're bringing back the favourites. We've got Iti Te Kupu and Mauna Koe and a whole lot more.
That's
Kaua
right.
huri ki te hana kia mautonu mai. And it's going viral all over the world, so why
It
not
is.
make it viral here in the Ngāti Hine FM studio?
That's right.
It's this waiata with the meanest intro
Yeah.
that we should get that cut off. But hey, aha. It's 24
Hang
minutes
on.
past 7 o'clock. You are listening on air, online to no other than Eare Mara.
That's right.
Ngāti Hine FM.
See you soon.
Get up.
Woo!
Pareirei tapa, nunua tapa, tapa ko nunua koe ana tukua. Pareia tapa, nunua tapa, ko nunua koe ana tukua. Ka hawi runga, ka hawi aroa, ka hawi te manawa, tapu manawa. First place to see the sun. The tighter fitty is always on. Best be ready for the time of your life. Cruising down the highway 35.
Harapana te ngati ki te riu o way a pū. Tuake, te whakatohea.
Here we Ngāti, no pōrau rāngi.
E ko te kuti te wera manui.
Pareire tapa, tununua tapa, tapa konunua koe ana tupua. Tapareia tapa, tununua tapa, konunua koe ana tupua. Kahawirunga, kahawiraro, kahawitenanawa, tapunawa panea. Pies on the one and only. Chutak te hati nati. Dereka.
Wakatata, tatarawa, wakatata, tatarawa. Tataki wai para para.
Wait, para. State Highway 35. A Tokomaru for a power pie. Straight down to Whamara. Tamako Baikea. Wai Weherua. Pareire tapa, tununua tapa, tapa konunua. Tapareia tapa, tununua tapa, konunua koe ana tupua. Kahawirunga, kahawiraro, kahawitenanawa, taputanawanawa. Kahawirunga, kahawiraro, kahawitenanawa, taputanawanawa. Kahawirunga, kahawiraro, kahawitenanawa, taputanawanawa. Kahawirunga, kahawiraro, kahawitenanawa, taputanawanawa.
He mea tautoko nā te māngai.
Iwa te kaumā, iwa iro ono ki whangarei nei. It's Ngāti Hine FM.
Ooh, child. You're building up to, you're just like, ooh.
Ooh, I was just going to go, ooh. Because why, Marcia? We're bringing the energy back.
Yes. No, reira, Brett, talking about energy.
Yes. Wow, do that again.
Out of a chance for us to wake up. If you're not waking up, no,
You're
that doesn't
stupid.
make sense. Kia ora to
You're
English.
not waking up, you're stupid.
If you're not waking up right now, what are you doing? You're up or you're not. So wake up.
That's kind of sad. Oh, sorry. We're bringing the energy back. Okay.
We're bringing the energy back with our Kimu today. It's called
The Describing Game.
I was like, can we give it a name?
No, but we'll call it the Describing Game.
And all you got to do is you have a list of what, 5 or 10?
10.
10 things or.
Oh, no, it was 5 in a minute.
Yes.
Yes.
You've got 5 things that you need to describe, and I've got to guess them within 1 minute.
Yes.
Sounds easy.
It's actually a lot harder than you think.
Yes.
And
The
today-
hang.
The hang. And today we're going to describe all of the people that we think are so relevant to the people of the celebrity.
Oh, I keep saying you sound like that actor. Do you remember?
Mort!
No, you know the one. It's on Sandra Bullock's 28 Days movie.
I've never seen it.
He's like, I bought a plant and it died. I cannot have a boyfriend because the plant died. It's like something after
I just
rehab.
don't understand. But we're going to celebrity describe today.
Okay, 1 minute.
I'm ready.
Is set
I am ready for
for
this.
my celebrities. Toru Fa.
He married Jennifer Aniston, then got rid of her. And
Brad
then,
Pitt.
Yes. He played Thor, and he's also Australian, and he was on Home and Away. And he's
Chris Hemsworth.
got- Yes. He was a big time soccer player. He married Victoria Beckham.
David Beckham.
Oh, there you go. How do you describe this? He was the poor guy in the movie The Notebook who really loved the girl, but they did the appearance of
Ryan Gosling?
Yes.
Oh, get it.
One more?
Yes, one more.
He's actually quite short in movies, but he
Kevin Hart.
No. But he said, okay, I'll take that.
Danny DeVito.
No. And he stands on boxes sometimes in the 80s because he was so short, but he married Nicole Kidman.
Oh, Nicole Kidman.
And he's short, he's quite good looking, but he married what's her name from Dawson's Creek. And then
Jerry Maguire guy. What's his name?
Tom
Cruise.
I thought you were going to say Jerry Springer. I was like,
no,
oh my God.
Sorry.
Oh,
that was me. Tom Cruise.
That is hard. I just got sweaty
Jerry
now.
Maguire guy.
Okay.
Morena, welcome back alone. Morena Koto.
Yes.
All right.
Okay, Marcia.
That was good.
Let's go. We can do this.
Okay,
1
here we
minute.
go. I've got to describe
5 celebrities.
Here we go. He can sing real falsetto. At the moment, their band is pretty much number one in Aotearoa.
Rob Ruha? Oh, Matthew Walters.
Yes, kia ora.
Sorry, Rob.
Number 2. He is related to Jeff.
Jeff?
You just said his name.
Jeff?
No.
He's related to Jeff.
And you just said his name.
Rob Ruha.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Jeff Ruha. She was, I loved her in the 80s.
Amy Crummer.
And then she started getting cacks. She would always sing like real high, like not screechy high, but like right up, like nowhere land. Kahore. No America.
Mariah Carey.
Yes, there you go.
Yes.
That's 3.
Oh my God. Celine Dion. Bjork.
What's that?
Mariah Carey. Bjork is a lady who does that kind of singing.
Oh, kia ora.
Don't know how she makes her money, but she does.
All right,
She's
last
awesome.
one. I've ran out of time.
It's okay, keep going. It's all right.
Okay.
Sorry.
No, the last one. I actually didn't have it, but she has a daughter that played a singer in like her latest movie. Her daughter,
Dinah Ross. Tracy,
Yes!
the daughter, Tracy.
No, I was thinking of Dinah Ross.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, good.
High Note. It was a very good movie.
High Note.
Oh, okay, that was fun.
Did you hear that corridor about her?
That she
Between them both?
didn't want to sing. She was scared to like, make her mum.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She was she was not embarrassed, but she was scared to sing because her mum's Dinah Ross. And she was like, oh.
She's like, and she's not actually a singer. Like she's just she's more an actress. But she
anyway,
was like,
she drove over to her mum's house when it came out. And then she's like, you need to come in the car, I'm in the driveway. So Dinah Ross sat in the car and she like played the soundtrack or whatever. And she was like all balled up in a ball. Just cringing, watching her mum listen, and then Dinah Ross just started crying and saying, finally.
Oh.
And she's like, finally what? She's like, finally you just sing.
Oh, wow.
She's like, and that's when I realised I am not Dinah Ross. I am myself. Oh, kia ora. She'll come over here, girl.
Her mum's Dinah Ross. But her name's Tracy. It's a very different name to have for like a celebrity's child. Tracy. Like you think she'd be like Eileen. Or Rebecca.
But she's, I'm not going to say that. It's a joke.
Yeah. Okay, should we do another one?
Okay, yes. Now, this one is...
This is a different round of... what was it? You said it was...
Describing game.
Of?
It was holiday destinations.
Holiday destinations. Okay. I'm ready.
Okay, go.
You ready?
Yes. Wait, no. Kei te rite aho.
Okay, holiday destination, more in particular, this is an area where you can go to, not an actual town, but it's another name for Tohora.
Whales Bay.
Yes. It's the capital of our country. It's a great place to go to when you want a good vibe.
Wellington.
Yes. All right. Oh, yeah. Well, no.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, no, I'm stuck. Oh,
Where are you
it's on the east coast of the country, I think. And you just been there up the top of the north, and it was a great
Oh,
place.
okay. Te Kao?
That's with an A.
It's Ahipara.
Great.
It's on the west.
Oh.
It's way on the west.
Never eat soggy Weet-Bix. I thought it was the east.
East is like Gisborne ways, eh? So
Yeah.
it'd have to be on that side. It's on this side.
Oh, take that back.
Oh,
Piece of
you need to go there. That's so far
I have
west.
been there, but I didn't know it was west. I thought it was east.
So when you go
Oh.
up, it's on your left, eh?
Is it? I don't know. Oh,
That's funny.
oh,
You lost.
I'm so chuffed at that. Anyway,
Okay.
where are we going on holiday, Mars? Go.
We are going off for a holiday, hopefully, where I can have a bud cake.
Greeks.
Yeah.
Greeks. Greece.
And then I'm going to go over to have some ravioli.
Italy.
Yeah. And then skip and a hop to one of my favorite places so far to have some sushi.
Japan.
Yes.
There's two more.
I
Let's go
always
and visit-
wanted to go to this place where they make anime,
Japan?
but like
Again?
another one.
Vietnam?
Nah.
China.
And Squid Games.
Oh, Korea.
Yes.
South Korea.
I'm not always wanted to go there, by the way. I just made that up. But unfortunately, this place has got their first COVID case.
Oh, no, that's coming up in topical news. Yes.
Yeah.
The Cook Islands.
The Cook Islands. Was
Yeah.
that 5?
That's 5. And
Yeah.
let's bring it down back home.
I know. Let's
Oh,
bring
look
it
at that,
down
right in
and
a minute.
Kia ora.
That's right.
I know. So we'll fill you in on topical news
Yeah.
about that. Sad.
It is sad, but we'll get to that shortly. Do we have another game or no? Is that
If
it?
you want to. No, let's go one more round for you.
Okay,
Do you have
I'll
it?
do around the world again.
Okay.
We're going to get on a plane and we're flying to go visit Liz.
The Queen,
Oh,
London.
yes! But then we're going to pop over on the train to go get an apple
Paris.
tartare.
Yes.
And then from there, we're going to come back, but maybe get stuck on the motorway going to the other.
Scotland.
Yes. And then from that, we're going to fly via another Asian country to come home to New Zealand. But it's like,
China.
yes.
Beijing.
And then we come home and go, oh, you know what? Flights are cheap right now. Let's go down to a little place in the South Island.
Queensland town.
Yes.
Queenstown. Oh, look. It's almost like we did
It's
that.
almost like we did that. Yeah.
Traveling. Oh, bring
right.
it back down.
I know, it's a distant memory.
Aye. But it's looking like it's going to open very
Wow.
soon.
That's right.
Anyway, Tiwi, let's picky it back up.
Picky ngahi.
Great English
That was
Māori
fun. That was-
translation right there.
Picky it
Thank
up. Picky it up.
you.
That's right.
Picky it up.
A place city which is a nickname after a fruit. Fruit.
Ah,
A place city which is nicknamed after a fruit. Okay.
the Big Apple.
New York.
Yes, get it.
Oh, you've been to New York?
New York, New York. I
You've
would
been.
love to go back.
Oh, I'd love to go. Haven't
Yes, let's make it happen.
been. Love
Do you reckon they need a radio show host?
Yeah. Can you imagine us in Times Square? I'll have all the people eating off our hands.
Oh, actual. Like they'll just take the hot
You
dog right
hungry?
out of our
You
hand.
hungry?
Alrighty, Tiwi. Kia ora no tātou ki te mita o te rohe. Very soon we're going to check out topical news. But
Yes.
first, anei te tahi waiata. It's ihi, te mahi rangatahi.
Woo!
We're not in the rangatahi section anymore.
We are not.
Came out to it today.
Damn it.
Ngāti Hine FM.
Puare ware ngā mahi o te pō, e mahu ngā huri huri na taku turi turi. Whakamaku taku koro koro, whakatika hau ora mo tōku oranga. Whakatika hau ora mo tōku oranga. He aha taku mahi I tēnei ao. Te ia aroto te mahi a te rangatahi. He aha taku mahi I tēnei ao. Taku whai koinga te mahi a te rangatahi. Whakarango ki te tangia. te rangatahi, te hungata iohi. He whakaro kia rangatira, e whaia koe te iti kahurangi. Whaia koto, warahi kia tika koe, kia mau, kia u. Hitiki e, he hataku mahi I tene ao, te ia aroto te mahi a te rangatahi. He hataku mahi I tene ao, taku whai koinga te mahi a te rangatahi. Kaora Maori. Chipu. Tēnā. Ora mai ki te taha o ngā parata. Ketia. Nā he mahi whakawhanau matanga ki waiganu I a tātou. Nau mai haere mai. Ai, ai. Ko tātou te tūmeke. Kuare ware ngā mahi o te pō. Hei aha kia Māori, kia tika, kia orara. Kei te mau pūmau, taku taia, taku patu. Kei te mau pūmau, taku taia, ha taku patu. He aha taku mahi I tene ao, te ia aroto te mahi a te rangatahi. He aha taku mahi I tene ao, taku whae koinga te mahi a te rangatahi. Come on!
Getting vaccinated is the best way to protect yourself and your whānau from COVID-19. To find your nearest vaccination centre, visit www.fightforyourwhakapapa.co.nz. Fight for your whakapapa. Get vaccinated.
If you're having doubts about the vaccine, it's okay and you're not alone. Our Healthline team is here to listen and talk with you about how you're feeling. We're here to talk through any questions you have about the vaccine and your health, and we'll have specialists available if you need more information. There's no pressure, no rush, and calls are free and confidential. Chatting with someone who understands is a great way to help you feel confident about making the decision that's right for you. The Healthline team are here to talk from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m, 7 days a week on 0800 28 2926.
The rhythm of the rohe.
You make me feel like it's a Sunday morning. Whatever we do, I'll be catching feelings for you. I hope you turn up. My reggae music, my reggae music.
Ngāti Hine FM.
Iwa te kauma iwa iro ono ki whāngarei nei. Iwa te kauma iwa iratahi tuatu I hikurangi Ngāti Hine FM.
Aye, more nei te iwi, you are listening on air and online to us both here.
That's right.
Luke Bird,
That's
Marcia
right.
Hopper.
Kia ora.
E are mara, kei konei mai wa tainoa ki te iwakara kei te atanei.
That's
Nō
right.
reira, kia utonu mai. Ko tai tata ki tēnei wāhanga. Is it this one?
No.
No. Doesn't
It's a
sound
cool
like
one,
it.
though.
It does.
Yeah, there it is.
It is topical news, Luke. And
Yeah.
have we got some good topical news?
Well,
Well, like, not good, but happy?
it's semi-happy because
We'll take it.
I read the story yesterday and I thought it was the most cutest thing. But it's got to do with the COVID around the world. So look, it's a thing. It's a current norm right now. But a Belgian zoo has had to close down part of its the area of its aquatic animals because two ginormous. Like, out of all animals, would you a zoo? What would you think could contract COVID-19?
Animals. They're monkeys
Okay, all right.
or elephants.
Close.
I don't know.
Close. The Belgian Zoo has had to close down part of its aquatic area due to the fact that Imani, aged 14, and 41-year-old Hermione have contracted COVID-19. It's unclear how. These
Hippo.
are the giant hippos.
As soon as you said Amani, that's a hippo name. Jokes.
They are unsure how, but they've had to. The giant semi-aquatic herbivores are well, except from a very runny nose. And this is a picture that was taken of them in their. Look, it's so cute.
Oh, they got COVID.
They're not sure how they got COVID, but they
Maybe
were
they
tested.
ate some bats. I don't know. How do you get it? It's, obviously, they didn't get it. It was their carers. I know how they got it.
Yeah, you were sneezing on them.
Caretaker George and caretaker Catherine.
This is what people are saying is ironic. It's like, but hippos are naturally wet and have runny noses anyway. So they're like, hippos' noses are normally tend to be wet and runny, but they've decided to take a test anyway and just see what happened, and it came back positive.
Oh.
So you know what? The COVID's getting around.
My nose is not runny.
I was like, the poor hippos are like, nobody cares.
Hungry hippos.
That's right. So hey, it really does matter.
But
Get your vaccination now.
They got it. That's weird. Oh, what? But no, because even oh my gosh, all my letters are coming out wrong. Even zoo people. Oh, what do you call it?
Zookeepers.
Public. Even public don't touch hippos.
No.
But it's in the air.
It's probably in the air.
Maybe they lick the handrail.
Well, they do poo in their own, in their water, and maybe someone pooed in it because it's they can test because they can test the water from the sewage, right?
Caretaker pooed in the water.
I'll just hold on to the rail for a sec. No one's watching. Good job. Yeah, and then old Hermione and frickin' Imani.
Oh, poor hippos.
I know they've got runny noses and they've been they've been put in isolation.
Oh,
so
they're already in isolation, so they're in isolated isolation.
That's right. They've been moved to isolation, and the aquatic area has been closed down until they can do more testing as to how that became confirmed that they've got COVID.
Kia ora.
Amazing.
All right. Well, what else have you got?
One moment, please.
No, I had some not so good cordial. Did you see the Burger King one?
I did.
Yeah.
I was going to talk about that, but I thought, there's too many negatives. But terrible.
I know. Well, the negative, we didn't say it.
Was this the deaf one?
Yes.
Yes.
So, a guy that was deaf, went through the
and has done before many times.
Yeah. And then she was just like, must have been Hoha, the one taking his order. And she's like, no, you need to come in. And he's trying to signal to her,
I'm deaf.
Yeah, and this is he even had it on a piece of paper.
His whole order. I thought
and
that
she
was
just
so
wouldn't
sad.
take it. And then next minute, her co-worker's in on it, and then next minute they're swearing at him.
Yeah,
I'm like, lady, he can't hear you, but still.
He can't hear you.
But he can still read their lips and their gestures and everything.
That's right.
Hoha.
And actually, and then they ended up getting his order wrong and overcharged him, and he was trying to communicate to them, saying like, this isn't right.
Yes.
And they just wouldn't have a bar of it.
Bro.
And it was in the south, down in Christchurch, wasn't it?
Christchurch.
Terrible. He got a formal apology from the general manager of Burger King New Zealand. But it does make you go, as a person who isn't hearing impaired.
Yes.
It must be hard. Like, how does that happen?
Well, it's even harder when people don't pay attention or give them the time of day.
Yeah. But how do you go? I was thinking there should be like a touch screen when you go to order your food at the drive-thru. But
I'd say that they'd probably want that too. Like, yeah.
Because then how would they say, I want something?
I think they'll just go up to the first window. Put there, and then you get someone that's just not.
But they were really hoha at him and told him, no, come around the front. And so he refused to move. So he stopped.
Get on him.
Yeah, he's like, I'm turning my car off and I'm holding up the queue. Good on you, Bolt.
And we already know what it feels like to get the order wrong, let alone all of that work up to only get the order wrong. Nah. There's no way we're moving.
Yeah, poor dude. He was just buying a feed for his kids. He just finished work. He was a tradie, finished his work and went to go buy a feed for the kids. And no.
Yes.
Terrible.
Okay. What's your number 3? 3 news story in the headlines for today.
Well, I brought this up on Thursday, but you weren't here. But I thought it was still quite good to bring it up again for those that didn't hear it, or the online viewers. But Julia
Okay.
Genta from the Greens Party, she was so to-do that she was in Labour, but she's so to-do from her kaupapa of being a greenie that when she went into Labour, she biked. She didn't order an ambulance. She didn't go in a car.
Oh.
She biked her bike at 2 a.m. to the hospital, full contracting labour.
Where's her husband in all of this?
Well, there's a picture taken of her riding the bike, so I'm assuming he's in the car.
Yeah. It doesn't sort of count. Nah,
Yeah.
mind just she's keeping her clean green.
That's right. She gave
kaupapa.
birth not long after that, but her waters broke. She was
Wowza.
contracting on a bike.
How she also lives next door. Nah.
Yeah, I was like, wow, girl.
And in Wellington, there's hills.
Hills are alive with the sound of screamy tanga because you're contracting.
Can you imagine that?
No, I can't. That's terrible.
First of all, there ain't no way I'm getting on a bike. Nah, thanks. I ride it, Tiwi. Take that back.
That's good. That's right, you do. Do I have another one?
Yes, no, we're talking about the Cook Islands case.
Oh, tell
Kia
us,
ora
Maz.
katoa. No, well,
Mei
it's just
taki
in
mata.
the headlines that the first case for the Cook Islands, yes, was very recent. I think maybe a flight yesterday.
Oh,
And it's a child out of 177 passengers from New Zealand. And
Oh,
it was the
no.
child that had it.
but if there's 177,
I think they're all
107
residents.
Yeah, I was going to say there must be all people who live there.
Yeah, because it's not open
No,
until the 15th.
but still, gosh.
But that might be pending at the moment.
Oh, no.
Yeah. Here we are, Tiwi. What we can do is get vaccinated, get all the things in place.
Now, it's the
Scan
first,
everywhere.
It's the first proper week of the traffic light system
Yes.
today.
And do you know how it went for me?
Oh,
Not so good.
what happened?
Well, because Marcia didn't, I've still not downloaded my Vax Pass yet.
Oh, no. I saw.
But it felt funny though. Like, so I haven't downloaded my Vax Pass. My cousins and I forgot it was like the first day on Friday,
yes,
right?
Yes.
We're in Kitty. And got to the cafe. And then they're like, have you got your pass? Have you signed in, Kim? And we were like, oh, haven't got our pass. So we were sitting out on the designated walk of shame
no.
chairs outside the cafe. We thought it was hilarious, but it actually felt funny.
Well, I know it's a bit sad because yesterday I was at my local and there was people coming in and have you got your pass? Because they've got to do the passing, otherwise you get a big fine. But a lady said, I don't have my downloaded pass, but I've got my little paper pass. And they were like, no, you can't come in with that. And I was like, oh, okay. But then I suppose they need the actual official, authenticated, is that the word? It's sad, isn't it? But today's the first proper week. So, hey, let's see how that goes.
So it was a fail for me, but we were still able to order takeaway from the window.
Oh, wow.
But it was funny because, we're already being stared at in the kitty. And then to be... And then, oh man, the amount of people just staring
really?
It was like,
kia
ora.
Oh, it's a vibe.
Here we are, no.
That's
iwi. Lesson number 1. Get your Vax Pass.
Yes, and as of Friday, Auckland Tamaki COVID is back into freedom.
Yes.
You can do things with everybody. It's great. You can go to stuff. How was it? Tell us how it was. People that are watching from Tamaki Makaurau, how was it? How's it going?
Kia ora. We've got a comment here. I drove myself to the hospital during contractions from Pakipaki to Hastings.
There's another comment. Doesn't the paper copy have the scanning object? Yes. No, that's the one you can download once you've downloaded the My Vaccine Passport. The one that the lady had in the shop when she got told no is the original one, which doesn't have the pass on it, which is this one. This one here.
Kia ora.
Yeah, so she had this one, which can't get you in. You need the new one that's got the little scanning requirement.
Yes.
But yeah, I would think you could use that too, right?
Yes. Well, I'm hearing from Jan's mum, Naniwa, yesterday.
Yes.
She downloaded, printed, and laminated their passes.
Actually, it's a really good idea because everyone's. I thought just keep it on my phone, but what if your phone goes flat?
Yes, tika.
Or you lose your phone.
And well, they did that because they don't really carry around phones.
That's right.
Kia matare, tiwi. Kia
That's
matana.
right.
He rereke nei wa.
Herereke.
But you know, if you want a real good coffee and sit in the restaurant to eat a breakfast, those are the things you have to do now.
That's right.
Oi.
Absolute.
That
It's
is
the new norm.
koe rā te topical news for this time.
I know.
O te
there's
nei
a
raki.
lot going on in the world.
Aye, still to come. We've got e meana koe, aiti te kupu, and a whole lot more.
Oh, yeah, good.
It is 5 minutes to 8, which simply means at 8 o'clock our news from Wātea, nō reira kia u tonu mai.
Kia u.
Ai, kia u, kia kaha.
Stay with us.
Kia maia, kia manawa nui. Here we are, not tutahi. Here is Soldier. It's Kiss Me. No, not you. Ngāti Hine
Damn
FM.
it!
Down on hip hop, back to basics. Yeah, Soldier, featuring Organic. Face to face, fingertips touching. Your long hair, full lips, deep red. Stinging amber of your eyes. True intent, trying hard to hide. We could stand here, wait for a sign. Wish on a star, hope for the divine. But who we kidding? We both know why even wait at all. Oh, kiss me, just how I like. Tell me we can take it away tonight. It's the time I wanna kiss you. Kiss me, just how I like. Tell me we can take it away tonight. Right here, right now is the time I wanna kiss you. I know that you've been hurt before, but that's not me. I'm so much more. Don't fade away into the dark. Hold on to this. You've already got my heart. Hold it inside. Conceal the flames, nothing on fire. But who we getting? We both know why even wait at all. Kiss me, just how I like. Tell me we can take it away tonight. Right here, right now is the time I wanna kiss you. Kiss me, just how I like. Tell me we can take it away tonight. Right here, right now is the time I wanna kiss you. Yeah, yeah. So fresh, so clean. Tell me, how'd you get in them jeans? And I guess in a dress you could kill a king. Girl, you're pretty close to killing me. Plus you're sexy and oh so lean. You're the cocaine and I'm the fiend. 2 peas in a pot, cookies and cream. I'm a reckless concept, the ultimate team. Damn girl's a rider, dressed as designer. Gucci, Dolce, and Gabbana. Chilling on the beach in the heat of summer. Even the bikinis made from Prada. Many men that try, many men that die. Never look into eyes or get hypnotized. You recognize I ain't one of them guys. Got a bottle of Hypno, now getting the ride. Kiss me, just how I like. Tell me we can take it away tonight. Right here, right now is the time I wanna kiss you. I wanna kiss you. Kiss me, just how I like. Tell me we can take it away tonight. Right here, right now is the time I wanna kiss you. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Kia hiwara, e whai ake nei ko ngā pito pito kōrero.
E ngā iwi o te motu tēnā koutou katoa, Scotty Morrison tēnei me ngā upoko kōrero o te wā nā te pūtea taunaki a te māngai pāho. E whai ake nei e te iwi e pēhea na te noho a te motu I raro I te pūnaha rama toru. Rā kuia tēnei ko te rā tuawhā o tēnei pūnaha kei wainganui I a tātou. Kei te haere tonu te pūwerotanga o ngai tātou te Māori me ngā hā kinakina e whai ake nei. Hoi anō rā, koe nei te rā tuawhā o te noho a te motu whānui ki raro I te mana o te pūnaha rama toru. I ngā rā e toru nei roto o tāmaki makaurau I tūwhera mai anō ai ngā whare hā kinakina, ngā whare kai, ngā whare kawhe, whaimuri hoi te kotahi rau mā whitu rā e kati ana I raro I te rāhui whakamoho au. Kei te harikoa rawa atu ngā kai whakahaere pakihi Māori I tēnei pūnaha hou. Hei tā Kerry Knox o te whare hā kinakina o Fort Knox, e harikoa katoa ana ia tōna ngā kau. Kia kite anō ia I ngā kiritaki o tāna whare hā kinakina o tira, kia tūwhera anō ki a rātou, ara kia whakangungu tahi ai rātou I roto I te whakakotahitanga o rātou wairua. Kei te kōkiri hia tonutia te karare he mea nui kia whai tātou te Māori I te kanoara e kōwhiori, ko tētahi e whakatairanga ana I tēnei kaupapa ko Perewi Hongi.
Papa pēnei Ia Huakina Development Trust, Ia te marae o Papakura, Ia Turuki Health, Ia Whai Maia, Ia Hoani Waititi marae arano atu, kua kaha whakapitongo e nara I rā ko tā mātou, he tautoko noa I a rātou, he whakapāho I ngā painga, I ngā wāhi, I ngā tāema, o tira he kukume mai I a rangatahi I a Māori a Mōhoki, o tira a Māori. Ki tēnei.
Nō rei tiwi ki ngā tatauranga o te tekau mā whāhaora nei e pāna ki te mate kōwhiori kei wainganui I a tātou o tira I o tātou hapori. Tahirau mā ono ngā kēhi hou I hua ake I o tātou hapori. I te rua tekau mā whāhaora nei I roto I ngā rohe e rima putanoa I te motu. Ka mutu tokorua no ngā tāngata kua pākia e te kōwhiori I roto o tautahi. Hoi anō ko ngā kēhi hou o te wā kei te tatauhia I tēnei wā mō ngā tatauranga hou. Ara, ko tāmaki makaurau, he ono te kau mā toru ngā kēhi hou, kei roto I te auahinui o te motu. Toko toru ngā tūroro hou o te kōwhiori, kei roto I te tai tokerau. Toko waru ngā tūroro hou, kei roto o Waikato. Ko tahi kei roto o tautahi tēnei wā, engari, ko taua kōrero anō rā, toko rua anō kua pākia I roto I te wā poto nei. Ko whanganui, ko tahi hoki te tangata, te tūroro hou o te kōwhiori, kei roto o whanganui. He ai ki ngā kōrero e rua ngā tai tamatāne te kaumārua ngā tau I kano āraitia I ngā wiki tata nei me te kore whai whakaitanga I o rāua mātua I te tuatahi. Hei tā te upoko o te uepu tūmuaki o te tai tokerau a Pat Newman, kua takahi tikanga anō te manatū hauora me kaua e pērā anō. Hei tāna ahakoa e whakaitia ana tēnei mahi āture nei, tikanga nei mā tāpono nei kei te he rawa atu. Hei tāna I te rongotanga ake mo tēnei kaupapa ka puritia e etahi mātua a rātou tamariki ki te kāinga I rungi I te pōhehe kua tīmata te kura, ngā kura rānei o te tai tokerau ki te kanoārai I ngā tamariki katoa. Nō ngā rā tata nei I pōhiri ai a Ngāti Kahu I ngā minita o te kāwanatanga ki runga I te tūtanga whenua I te noho whakatau te hia nei e rātou I ngā marama nei. Nō ngā rā tata nei hoki I puta mai ai te whakatau I te kāwanatanga, kei te hoko rātou I te tūtanga whenua nei hei whakatatuki I te tono raupatu a Ngāti Kahu a tōna wā. Hei tā hone harihona Bassett o Ngāti Tara e koa ana ia kua whakahokia te whenua ki a Ngāti Kahu, ahakoa kei te karauna tonu I tēnei wānei. Hei tāna kua whakatua pou whakarai rātou, huri noa I te whenua nei, hei tohu I tō rātou mana ki te whenua, o tira hei tohu I ngā hapū whaipānga. Nō reire tiwi, koe ra ngā tai pitupito o te haore e whai ake nei ko ngā hā kinekina.
Mō ngā pito kōrero o te wā, tirohia te pai tukutuku hou, ara www.irakatiwātenews, irakati.com.
Ki ngā hā kinekina o te wā, kua rere atu a Kaikara France o Ngāti Koroki Kahukura ki Las Vegas, mo tāna whawhai nui ki a Cody Gambrant a tērā wiki. E ai ki ngā kōrero, koe nei pea te whawhai nui rawa atu o tōna ao whawhai moho anoa nei. Hei tāna koe nei te whakamātautau nui mai rāno, ko Gambrandt hoki a tetahi o ngā toa omua o te UFC I pupuri I te tātua whakaihuaka o roto I tōna whakapaparanga. Aha koa whakakorengia te whakataetae wakaama o te motu kei runga tonu I te wai, ngā toa o taua hā kinekina e whakangungu ana. Kei te whakarite rātou mo te whakataetae wakaama o te ao ka tū ki rānana a te tau 2022. Engari kāre e kore, ka raru nui rātou I te whakakoretanga o te whakataetae āmotu o konei. Hei tā Walton Walker, prehitini o Horouta Waka Hoi, ka haere tonu rātou ki te mahi I te mahi nei ara ki te hoi waka, I nā koara e hara I te mahi ā tinana noa nei, engari he mahi ā wairua, he mahi ā hine ngaro hoki. Nō reire te iwi koe ranga hā kinekina, kia ora.
Nā nō reire te motu, mā wātea, mā te reo, hei whakamārama.
He mea tautoko
nā te mānga.
Hei pāho.
Timi tō te rohe.
Are you having a fundraiser, meeting, or community event? Let us know. Email onair@ngatihinefm.co.nz or message us on Facebook. Proudly supporting your community, Ngāti Hine FM.
Hey, I heard about Maya's leg. How's she doing?
She's getting there, eh? It's been pretty frustrating for her not being able to do sport. And all the physio.
It does sound frustrating. And expensive for you guys.
It's actually fine. She's been helped by ACC.
I thought she did it doing sport at school.
She did, but ACC covers tamariki wherever they are when they get injured. At home, school, wherever. They helped with medical costs and physio, and even paid for the crutches and other stuff she needed while she had the cast on.
That's awesome.
If tamariki get injured in an accident anywhere in Aotearoa, ACC is here to help them, including financial support for medical services, care and equipment. Aotearoa at acc.co.nz/tamariki.
So we thought we could pay off a home loan.
And we had some money towards our deposit.
But it wasn't enough. Our deposit was a bit like an ad on the radio that's supposed to be 45 seconds long.
But we only had 15 seconds worth of stuff to say.
That sounds like my cue. If your deposit and a home loan aren't enough to buy a home, check out First Home Partner from Kāinga Ora. It could bridge the gap. You and Kāinga Ora will own your home together, and you buy out the Kāinga Ora share over time until your home is all yours.
So we finally had what we needed to buy our first home.
And enough to spend a whole radio ad talking about it.
Check to see if First Home Partner might suit you. Visit kaingaora.govt.nz/First Home Partner.
Ngāti Hine FM. Mai I te hurihanga o kāwharu ki te pēwhairangi.
Mai I ngā nguturoa o te hātea awa ko Ngāti Hine FM.
Kia ora. Eare mara. You are listening to Marcia and Luke.
Yes.
Live from the Ngāti Hine FM studio.
That's correct. It's the second hour, everybody. You've made it with us. You've made it.
Utonu mai.
Auckland, for my freedom! That's a line from Braveheart, everybody.
Neba ki te ao pa.
Yeah. Here we go. Hit it! Everybody at home!
To the front and put on slow. To the back, A, right around, A. To the side, cowboy, hey. Get the link and bring it on in.
Twerk.
Every time like a beat drops or something, I feel like I'm a pop dancer.
Isn't it funny though when the music, when the beat comes on, even in the car, you think you're just invincible at dancing, and yet you're actually not doing anything. You just you feel like
your
you
whole car. This is you is rocking. Like here's Luke, and you're at the lights just like boom, boom, boom.
Yes, there was a comment earlier and it said, I'd love to see Auslan taught schools alongside Te Reo. And I wasn't sure what Auslan means, but it's...
Is that how you say it?
Or Auslan, Oozlan, but it's the recognised sign language.
Ah, you know what?
I agree.
I read that L as an I. I thought it was a I.
Oh, maybe it is. Or it's a big I.
Nah, it's an L. It's an L.
But it's
I thought it was a little I with a dot.
Oh.
Holy heck. Look closer, Marcia.
Oh my gosh, Marcia.
Auslan.
Are you getting your nose done or your eyes done?
Yeah, both at the moment. And my lips.
And my lips, yes. But that's a great idea. I think that's so important. Yes.
Yes.
Because Te Reo's our official language and so is sign language. Yeah. Did you know that?
But what's Auslan then?
It's the name of the sign language.
Oh, right.
Yes, it's the official
Oh,
name.
yeah, because
for
it's
sign
an official language. You want it to be officially taught in school.
Yes, so Auslan is
Tika.
the name of
That
what
would
sign
be
language
cool.
is called. Yeah.
Golda.
Amazing.
Wonder
Hey,
why it's Auslan.
I don't know. I was like, is this
How te
Auslan?
whakapapau tēnā kupu?
Well, I did have it just before until it says Auslan is the majority sign language of the Australian deaf community. Oh, it's Australian!
Sounds Australian.
Oh, it's Australian!
Ah, Natalie Jade. She lived in Australia for a
Oh.
while. You mean colonised by Australians, Natalie?
I'm going to put it down by New Zealand Sign Language. See what happens then. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, it's called New Zealand Sign Language.
It's called NZland.
Oh, you make me laugh.
You make me laugh, Natalie Jade.
Natalie Jade. Anyway, sign language,
It's all right,
yes,
Tiwi, she's
I
our
agree.
friend.
She is. I agree. It should be a sort of a taught thing. It's not easy, though. It's hard.
Yeah, no, it
Like,
would be.
it's
Just like
very-
any language.
Very difficult.
Yeah, ua.
Aye.
Aye, engari. That'll be cool. There we
Phoenix,
go.
are you back yet? No.
How's the tea girls?
Oh, the tea girls are good today. However, they did tell me about an incident that happened yesterday in the over in the Whanga Reipai with the gangs. So
with the gangs.
Oh, poor boy got his threatened to take his bike off him. He said no, so he rid off on his motorbike, and then they followed him, pulled out a gun on him, and then ended up rolling. He said no with his mate who was with, and his mate had a Harley, and then his mate was like, "No, those are our bikes." And then so they threatened them again, intimidated them, and then rolled over their bikes. And now there's a feud because the person who he rolled over the bike on happens to be the son of a opposing gang. So this Marcia and I like
that
this,
whole situation, like what?
and this was just down the road, and Marcia and I going, "This happens." Like,
I know, sitting from our Princess Tower, like
Rapunzel.
I know.
Hey,
What?
You
got all the
Koto.
tea. Just in that 5 minutes.
Just in that 5 minutes, that's what the tea girls tell me. So I go there, and that's why I get a big cup of tea, like big, because they tell me all the tea.
That is some major tea. I'd say that you've ramped up. That's some coffee today.
And some more positive note on my coffee tea girls, Nanny Diamond was in there.
Oh, get it. She's
Oh.
always first one here.
Yes, and I said to her, Nanny Diamond, every time when I come in here, your car is already parked, and I get here early in the morning, and you're here early in the morning. But I said, what just makes me go, wow, is the fact that you come in and your hair is fully set. And it's set like it's been under like a heat lamp for like days. It's
Tēnā
beautiful.
reanga, eh?
Aye. That's right. You always go to dress your best.
Yes.
And so she's had the rollers in it, and she's had it quiffed, and it's just set.
Has she got like a colour?
Oh,
Is there a colour in there?
Used to have a
there's
colour,
like a
yeah.
tint
There's a
of
tint.
purple, eh?
Yes, it's like lavender.
Yes, lavender.
She's got a little bit of lavender in there.
Get it.
But yeah, she's just bright-eyed and bushy-tailed, old Nanny Diamond.
That's right. There's no pajama rama around here, Tiwi. So if Nanny Diamond can do it, we can too, Tiwi, okay?
That's right.
Gone are the days where we go to the supermarket in our pajamas. Okay, I've never done that.
No, me too.
But let's not carry that on.
But she's one of those people from the back in the day where she actually said she wears a silk hair
To bed?
scarf to bed.
Yes, great.
Oh, like that's so cute.
It is. I've only ever done that like the night before kapahaka performances.
Oh,
Either,
yes, to get your hair-
my
that's right.
my hair people,
Yes.
Frana or Tyler will,
That's
will do
right.
my hair, and then I'd put the silk on top.
Yes.
And, beauty school dropout.
Hey, on other news, have you gone to the hygienist before to get your teeth like cleaned and your gums cleaned?
No, I haven't.
Oh my gosh! So I went on Friday.
Do you feel great?
You walk out feeling like you've got big veneers because you feel like your teeth are brand new,
I
but
feel-
they are very
I think I'd
sensitive.
like it.
The first time I had it, I hated it. It's very
I saw.
It's very uncomfortable because they're putting like those little spiky things back behind the
Oh,
gums.
no. Oh,
But the second time you go, it's a lot more easier. But you feel like you're everything is really sensitive.
but are they rough?
No, they're very good. But the best thing to do is ask for a mirror. Get a mirror so you can see it happening. Because otherwise you're like, they're pulling my face. Because they're pulling you, but they're trying to scrape out all the stuff that you think is not there and it's there.
What made you go get that?
Oh, because they ring you and say, hey, you're due for your 6 months. And I was like,
Oh,
oh.
no. See, like,
Because the first time you go, because I went the first time because I thought
Yeah,
I had
what-
something on my teeth. And I was like, oh, and there was
so
nothing
are
wrong.
these dentists?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you're getting this procedure from a dentist?
Yes. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Right.
Yes. And then I went because I thought something was wrong with my teeth, and there was nothing wrong. But they go, "Hey, you've never been to the hygienist before." And I was like, "No."
How do you know? Because of your yellow ass teeth.
And they said no. And then they said, "Oh, because you've got some build-up." And I was like, "I floss my teeth and I clean them like hard out." They said, "Yeah, your teeth look great, but there's stuff that you can't see."
Gross.
So then I went, and then I asked them to show me what they get because I didn't believe it. Because I think my teeth. I think my teeth are great.
I can just imagine.
And then I was like, "Whoa!"
All that key restaurant build up.
Yeah. So I went down the second time because they actually it's best to go every 6 months. And wow, it's amazing. But my teeth feel big still. They feel like they're very. You do have they say you'll have sensitive teeth for a few days.
Oh no. I feel like I want to do that, but can I do it myself? Can I just have the tools? You know, one of those hooks and those little mirrors.
Oh, that's what they use.
Yeah.
Then they're scraping.
Yes, I'd like it. Actually, I'm going to go buy that tool.
It's
you can do it online.
$175.
That's why I'm buying my own tool. And then Etiwi, you're welcome. I'll buy some tools and maybe we can do it for other people.
Oh, kia ora.
Can you imagine? I'm like, nothing wrong with your teeth. It's your breath, lovey. I could never be a dentist.
No, I don't know how they do it.
Oh, bro.
Because I said to the girl that did mine, and she was puto, like he puto. She was this puto, like door handle puto.
Like, oh, what?
Well, maybe
compare
here,
them to the Kardashians because you always do.
Well, she's about 5
Was she a
foot.
Kim?
Yeah, she was tiny, but I'm not exactly little. I'm huge. But
is Kim taller than Chloe? No, Courtney. Because Courtney looks tiny, but Kim doesn't.
Shall I prove it for you, Marcia?
Anyway, we've gone off on the tangent.
Oh, should I prove it or not?
We digress.
Oh, okay. Should I
prove it later?
Okay.
Later.
But anyway, the girl was puto, and I'm this big, blubbery, scary, like, oh, I said to her, I just need you to take me through what you're doing. And she's like, this little wee thing. Anyway, she could literally fit in my mouth.
Cleaning your teeth, open up.
Yeah.
And then climbed in.
But I said to her, oh, I hope my teeth are okay. And she goes, honey, I have seen a lot worse. And I was like, my teeth are great though. She goes, oh, your teeth are great. But she said, the lady I had before,
oh, nah.
Yeah, so how do you do that?
Look, and that's a dentist. Like, I wouldn't want to be doing some, the other end of the beauty school. I've heard all the stories too.
Yeah, and that's why they get paid well.
But what about those beauticians that are not this end and going that end? Because people got to clean up.
Oh,
but
Timmy
go
cough,
to the shop to get cleaned up.
Timmy Flemmies.
Yeah.
Oof,
nah.
Girl, no.
I'd be a dentist over that.
Well, no, my friend, no names, but her name starts with a K and ends with Erin. She goes to get her. She goes and she goes, I'm going to get it. What's it called? A Brazilian.
Yes.
And I'm like, I
what's
want
it
to tell
called?
people.
That was good. I like what you did there.
What
you threw us off. Jeez. Yeah, anyway, she went.
Well, she went, but she was like, oh, yeah, I go get it all the time. I'm like, but how can you look your beautician in the eyes knowing that she's not looking at your face? And then how do you, like, when you see her in town, how do you go, like, hi, how are you? And, like, all she can think is, I've seen more than I should have.
We need to get some beauticians on. Let's do confessions of a beautician.
Oh!
And we can mask them up so they don't know who it is.
Good.
And we'll give them like a low voice.
I actually
and we'll
can
blur
get
their
someone
face.
in. That's brilliant. Oh, yeah.
Why is it called a Brazilian?
Yeah, why?
Yeah.
Is that because they don't...
New Zealand?
Yeah, like, is it different parts of the world do it differently? Or are they just more formidable for having a clean, like, nothing there?
Or... because there's an Amazon in Brazil. I don't know.
It's a bush.
We need to get some beauticians on and a dentist.
Oh, that is brilliant.
You know what? We can do it. No, actually, no, that's a terrible idea.
I can bring it. I know a beautician.
You can get it done. Not in the studio, though. That is not something that I want to see or hear.
No, I'm not going to get that done. That'll hurt. But how do it must hurt? If you are watching online,
Oh, no doubt. It
and you
hurts.
have had it done, can you just let us know, is it painful or...
Look, I actually spoke to,
You've done
a
it
couple
before.
Christmases.
Marcia, it's
No,
okay.
a couple Christmases ago, one
Have
of
you had your Amazon trimmed?
one of our friends' daughters is a beautician, and
Right.
she just like spilled it, left it all on the table. Like, oh my gosh, all the ins and outs.
Oh. Now, how did the Brazilian wax get its name? In ancient Greece, it comes from the Greek word
apple.
In ancient Greece, Rome, Egypt, Saudi Arabia, Turkey, and Persia, a full wax was commonly performed using a paste made from sugar and lemon. That sounds yum. Soon, the salon gained celebrity clients, and the Brazilian wax became famous, associating Brazil with vast pubic hair removal and earning its name of the Brazilian wax.
Wow,
It's actually a tikanga.
Aye, worldwide Brazilian wax.
Hitori. That's
Hitori.
cool.
Not hitori. But it's for the hitori. Hitori mo te hitori.
Aye, that's cool. Hitori, sorry. Oh, that's great.
It's a faux pas.
That's,
oh, wow.
Wow.
Beauticians out there, if you want to talk about the Brazilian experience.
Well, you're talking about your friend's friend, your friend's
Yeah,
daughter.
no, she's a beautician. She just left it all on the table. She's like, oh, so this happens. Oh, and then these people come in. Oh, and then this person comes in. Oh.
Oh, my gosh.
And then when people don't do this before they come in, oh, those stories.
They don't do that. Oh, ooh, oh, poo. Oh, poo. No. No. No.
And that's right.
They don't do that. No.
Beautician or a dentist. Dentist.
Oh, apparently some clients don't go fully prepared. Oh, poo.
Yeah.
No. Yuck.
Yeah, but then we're like, can you just go, sorry? It's a no today,
Like-
but they can't.
Oh, what
Well, because she was a student one too, and I was like,
no.
but in times like that, are you like, what am I doing with my life? Because, bro, ain't nothing questionable about your life than that, I
Are
reckon.
you talking about Tiarahi?
No. No. This
I
is
love you, Tiarahi.
over in Aussie.
Oh, God. No, see, this is the thing. But so you got to give it to them. I hope they get paid well too, like dentists do.
I don't think they do, but they should.
They do.
Go get your money, people. Go get your money.
Now, we should go.
But we're going to talk to someone.
Yeah, we're going to
make it happen. Don't you have some friends?
Yes, I've
do
got a
that?
few of them.
Bro, let's bring them in.
No, I need them to be willing to just devour
We'll bring them in, and we'll also bring a volunteer out there. You get to win a free. Can you imagine that? Man, our show just took a turn.
Oh, this is why people love what we do, because we just go straight there.
Straight there.
Straight
Kei
there.
hea, ki raro. All right, I tell you, did we do the weather?
Oh, no. Heck, the weather. Well, it's, I can't even find it. But the weather is, okay, one moment.
The weather outside is
You just keep going, Mas. Keep going.
cloudy.
Keep going.
And the chance of rain. And I'm singing this because the Christmas music is already playing.
It is. And it's about time it did, because it's almost
Yes.
Christmas in like 2 weeks, everybody.
Woo!
It's still downloading, but the weather currently is 20.1 degrees today, and it should feel like
21. Should feel like 21.
It should feel like 23.
Oh, what?
So today is a hot
That's
day here in
warm.
Te Whanga o Rei Pai Kohi Kohi Ngā Kūtai. In Tamaki Makovid, it's currently 21 degrees. It's a high of 26 degrees as well. So it's a warm day. It's moist. The humidity today is 93%, so it's about moist hanga, and it does say one layer today. It's cloudy with odd showers.
Kia ora. And ki ngā tai o whangarei, because it is a moist day, it'll be a great time to go for a swim at 10:15 is your high tide. Low tide, for those who kohi ngā kūtai
Kūtai.
and other kai moana
Aye.
in the whanga o rei pai.
Aye.
4 o'clock is a great time to do that.
Kōrero.
And high tide again at 10:30 for a late night.
Oh, moist swim.
Yes.
Now, speaking of moist, if you need to go get your Brazilian done, I recommend don't
Nah.
be moist.
No, definitely not. We're going to have the stories. Good ups and downs of the Brazilian world.
That's right, that's right.
Ai, and now ki tō tātou maramataka. Kei tiri te koe?
Oh, you do it.
No, you
No,
do
you've
it.
got the voice.
Nah, Batman is so sexy right now.
Shut up. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, here we go. You are Batman.
Thank you.
Hina.
Tēnā tātou katoa. Ko te maramataka mo tēnei ura. Ko oho ata.
Ko oho ata, te ao hau, te timatanga hau. Te awa o ngā ora pai, new life, new beginnings. The river of life is flowing. The weather outside is glowing. Let it snow, let it snow. Oho ata. Maramataka Māori, Māori New Year. Maramataka, Māori culture. Oho ata.
Wairu aho, te aroha
That's your weather and Maramataka update. Well done.
Thank you very much.
Very good. Brought to you by Batman himself. Kia ora no tātou ki te mita o te rohe. Next, we got Iti Te Kupu. He oi anō right now. Let's get it. It's Matua Ruia Aprehama. Mautika Maina. Ngāti Hine FM.
Yeah. Work. Pop it, move it, yeah. Woo!
Na 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 na. Matika maira ko te iwi Māori, ina te mahi e mahi nei tātou. Matika maira ko te iwi Māori, ina te mahi. Kamarana ake ahau, titiro atu ki te moana. Kamarana ake ahau. Urea nei o ki te waiora, ere nei te te waka na 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 Tira te titiro hakamuri, kia mau kia hua ki tō mauri ora. Ka tira te titiro hakamuri, tihei mauri ora kia tātau e. Tere nei te rani, ko ngā hihi o tērā. Tere nei te rani, ko ngā hihi o tērā. Ko te ihi, me te wehi, me te wana o te waka. Aue, aue, tika mai rai nei na 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 Matika maira ko te iwi Māori, ina te mahi e mahi nei tātou. Matika maira ko te iwi Māori, ina te mahi. Moti, moti, moharere, moharere, moti, moti, moharere. Moti, moti, moharere, moharere, moti, moti, moharere. Moti, moti, moharere, moharere, moti, moti, moharere.
He mea tautoko nā te māngai.
Iwa te kauma, iwa iro ono ki whangarei. It is Ngāti Hine FM. E ara e mara.
E ara e mara. Haurua mai te waru karaka e te iwi. We are on a Monday morning. Beautiful Monday morning.
It is. That's right, Marcia.
Yeah, he rangi ka puapua. Like, if you missed the tohu huarere, just push replay. He oia no, ko tai tata ki tēnei wahanga. Tēnei wahanga makau aku. E kia nei ko? E te kupu, yeah.
Call it. I love this song. Can you play it again? Oh, look at you. Phoenix plays it again.
No, he doesn't.
Oh, geez.
Go play it again then, Phoenix. Oh, that's right. He's not here.
He's not here. That's right, Phoenix. You're not here. Under all the... You can find him under... all the other excuses.
Oh, get it.
That was good.
That was good.
Sorry, that was a... Sorry, Phoenix. No, he's actually unwell today.
Don't say sorry. Don't be going back on your thing.
Oh, well, he's got the squirts.
You were saying heaps offline. Nah, Jace.
Oh, rude. Rude.
E te iwi. E te kupu, he oi ia te wā nui te kōrero.
Aye.
So, today...
Oh, yes, hit us.
I've got one for you, Luke, and you out there, kia maumahara, you get to have a chance to give it a crack as well. He kia ore haumiri kākara.
Oh, haven't we had this? No, we haven't.
We've had some kia ores, but...
Yes, kia ore.
Not sure.
Rat.
Aye.
Kia ore.
Haumiri kākara.
Haumiri. I know what haumaru is.
Aye.
So what is it the opposite of haumaru?
Oh, I don't know.
Haumiri. Miri to rub?
Tēnā pēr.
Haumiri kākara.
Kākara.
Te kākara.
Kākara.
Is it a seed? No, that's kakano.
Yes.
Kākara.
And that's not kakara, which is...
Kakarina.
Which...
I'm trying, okay? I'm really trying.
And that's all right. It's all right to laugh at them. Nah. I wouldn't even know this word either.
Oh, what's
kakara? Kakara without the tohutoa is smell.
Kakara?
Yeah.
Yep, so what's kakara?
Kakara.
Kakara.
Is fence. Is a type
so
of fence.
There's kakara, which is smell, and
Yeah.
kakara, fence.
And kakarina.
Oh,
Which
that's
is
dumb.
cats.
So, it's a trap.
Oh, okay.
It's a trap. Like to trap a pest.
Okay.
Kia ore, haumiri,
Kākara.
kākara. Yeah, it's a trap for the kia ore.
Right.
Is it?
And so if it's a trap, then how would we use it?
Because it's about trapping pesty things that just piss you off.
Yes. I love it. Let's run with it.
I couldn't think for a lack of a better term. I couldn't think of anything else. But you know when it's a metaphor summing up like just get rid of it and just move it. It's annoying me, so move them away.
Yeah, okay. So
No?
like, haere atu he kia ore haumiri kākara.
Yeah, you pest.
Yes.
You annoy me. Get in your cage.
Well done, Luke. That is not it. But I love the wānanga.
I actually thought I was onto something when you're like, yeah, okay. And I was like, oh, cool. Is it a
Well, it could
cage? Has
be.
it got to do with a cage, though?
No.
Has it got anything to do with what I'm on?
Well, what are
about?
rats known for?
Pests, rodents, being a rodent,
Yeah,
running
but
around,
what are they
scuttling.
looking for?
Food, hungry.
Yeah.
Pantry.
And a fence. So you've got a food.
Oh, this
yeah.
is when I was a kid and they said, don't you go in that pantry? And they put a lock on it. No, Grandma would never do
I
that.
was just going to say,
She would never.
you're like
Mum
the pantry to
Mum
the
never
world.
does that.
You can eat whatever you want there. They should have put a lock on it.
I don't know. What is this one?
Okay. Wow.
He kia ore haumiri kākara.
A kākara is a type of fence that in the past was used to protect kumara.
Oh.
So now what? What are you thinking?
It's a kumara pit.
Yeah, but like...
And it's to protect them from the pests.
Kia ora.
From eating their seasonal food.
Kia ora. A fence-hugging rat is one that scrambles along the sides of the fence to find an opening to access the kumara, right? This kupu whakarite is used for an astute, is that right? Astute person or one who knows how to get what they want. So it can be used in a positive or negative way, depending on the context. So it can be used to belittle or praise.
Yeah, because
So
you
someone
push so
that
hard to get what you want, to what you deserve. So you're
through that
I'm a
fence.
kia ora haumiri kākara.
E kia ora haumiri kākara.
Oh, I like
You
that.
get what you want. You go out there proactive. We
And
can
you
be
work
kia ora
hard.
haumiri
Well,
kākara.
that's what I mean. Like, that's what we
Except
do.
don't
'cause we-
call me a kia ora. I don't
No,
like that.
Me too.
Yeah.
Like, oh, I do go and get what I want because I work my bum off, my nono off to do it.
But don't love me to
call
a rat.
But, yeah, don't talk to a rat. What about a snake or a whale?
Nah, not a snake.
Well, they're
They're
slithering.
Yeah,
Oh,
but they're
yeah,
like
no,
snaky.
yeah, no.
Oh, yeah, nah. Gonna bite your fang.
Oh, you make me laugh.
Yeah, so he kia ora haumiri
kākara.
Aye.
Oh, rat.
That was it.
It could have been he manu haumiri kākara.
Yeah, but
Or he arewhana.
trying to get through a fence to the kumara. All right.
I'm just trying to be proactive.
Maybe
here,
we
okay?
can. That would be your what do you call it? Kupu whakarite for someone that is, you know, like I heard you coming from a mile away.
I heard you coming home last night.
Yeah.
Was it two of you or just
Me
yourself?
he arewhana. Kia ora.
Oh, that was good. That was
It's
interesting.
kupu. Say it again.
He kia ora haumiri kākara.
Can be used to belittle or praise. Kia koe te tikaga.
Yes.
Just don't use it with me.
Yeah, or me.
It's te kupu. More it's te kupu coming throughout the week. He oi anō mai a mātou māua mō tēnei wā mō te pukapuko. It's te kupu. Ka kite.
But you know what? We that was a really interesting way to do editing a kōrero. Rerenga kōrero
Tēnā whakarongo mai. Sold in a book near you. Did you do that when I was away?
Of course.
How did it go?
Not great. We had to stop. On Thursday, we had to stop.
Stop for what?
I know. I said, Phoenix, just carry on. It's just two of us. It's two of us. He goes, I got to stop. I can't get the bar. Can't get the bar. Like, Phoenix, there's two of us.
Can I try something with you? Can you get off the lead?
Sure, you
Okay.
Because I said to him, I'm okay if I'm taught apart, but I just don't want to break into a part.
Your part is whakarongo mai. Sing it.
Whakarongo mai.
Rerenga kōrero tēnā whakarongo mai. Yeah, no, so go tēnā whaka.
Tēnā whaka.
Whaka.
Tēnā
whaka. There it is.
Tēnā whaka. Tēnā whaka. Tēnā whaka. Tēnā whaka. Tēnā whakarongo.
There you go, straight back.
Tēnā whakarongo mai.
I love it how you have to bring out the chins to get there.
Tēnā whakarongo mai.
Right, how about singing?
The fucker's hard. It's the
Wow.
It's the fucker.
No, I will tell you. How about singing tēnā all in one? So tēnā, go from there. Don't go tēnā.
Oh, yeah.
Go tēnā. Straight from there.
Rerenga kōrero
Tēnā. No, stay straight.
Tēnā whakarongo mai.
Tell me about it. Hey,
Sort it out. Luke.
you go. Sort it out, Luke. Kate Sika or kōrero. Tēnā whakarongo mai is the same.
I am not Phoenix.
Prove it. Tēnā whakarongo mai. Okay, that is the same. Please sing the same note. Don't go up or down even a little bit. Stay on the note.
Tēnā whakarongo mai.
Yes.
Rerenga kōrero
Tēnā whakarongo mai. Here we go.
Rerenga kōrero
Tēnā whakarongo mai. That sounds so boring because that's the only way Luke can sing it. Nah,
I started this, okay? I did. Tenors, see me later.
Usually
Anyway.
it's basses. See you later.
Poor Phoenix.
Rerenga
Kōrero tēnā whakarongo mai. Exactly.
Tēnā
whakarongo mai.
They go up at the end, so go, tēnā whakarongo mai.
Okay. Nere ka kōrero tēnā whakarongo mai.
Mai.
Oh, look, and we'll do this after the break when we have more nui ngā kōrero. Moving right along. Thank you, Auntie Paulie. Push the button.
But I wanted it to be painful.
Gosh. Bring
all your good vibes into the studio. It's Catch a Fire with the Luke and the Marcia. It's Ngāti Hine FM. Tēnā whakarongo mai.
Hey there, my indie lover, number one stunner, body like no other. I'm giving you the deal. How I really feel, hooked, I'm in love with for real. Many guys, but chosen a few. Now my eyes only see you. I wanna pack it up for two. Know just what to do. One chance to give it true to you. 'Cause I'm down with you. Everything you're doing lately. 'Cause I'm down with you. Let's do it on a daily. 'Cause I'm down with you. Oh, your look is driving me crazy. Any more of that love that you gave me? I can see it in your eyes. I can see it in your eyes. Hey there, I won't be late. Scoop you from your crib around 8. We can fire off a dub to the rubber dub. Later we can tear up the club. Like a diamond in every single way. And I count my blessings every day. You're a perfect display. And there's nothing more to say. Take me on play, yeah. 'Cause I'm down with you. Everything you're doing lately. 'Cause I'm down with you. Let's do it on a daily. 'Cause I'm down with you. Oh, your look is driving me crazy. Any more of that love that you gave me? Before you make a big decision, I wanna disclose details of the mission. Figure out your favorite position. Driving it into fruition. 'Cause your love is so hard to find. And you do it naturally, no need to try. From my eyes to the ground, flawless design. Can't get you off of my mind. 'Cause I'm down with you. Everything you're doing lately. 'Cause I'm down with you. Let's do it on a daily. 'Cause I'm down with you. Ooh, your look is driving me crazy. Any more of that love that you gave me? I can see it in your eyes. I see it, no lie. I'm one and only. I couldn't let you walk on by. Can you see it?
Tēnā whakarongo mai! We're back, everybody. Ngāti Hine FM. E ara e mana. It's the duo today. It's Marcia Hooper and Luke Bird coming to you live. Live. We had someone message us before saying it was great listening to you guys in the toilet. Hey, thank you so much.
In the toilet?
Thanks for bringing
Nah,
us to
you're
the toilet.
lying.
Hey, I got the message right here.
Show me.
There's
Lying. You're the only one. It was a message that you got sent and you were in the toilet.
Well, hey. They're both playing. Yes, we are. Thank you. Isn't it funny? We get sort of paid well to play.
Kia pai te rā, whānau. Have an awesome day. Kia ora,
You too,
Puti.
Puti. Excuse me, Sebastian. Go away.
Sebastian, up to.
Um,
Ananazi. Sebastian, he works here at Ngāti Hine FM. Not too sure what he does. He just walks around doing nothing.
He looks like he's 12, but apparently he's 27.
Lock the door.
Lock the
He's not
door.
allowed in. Sebastian, security.
Security.
Anyway, he loves us.
He does.
Actually, he likes you. Nah, jokes.
Actually.
Okay, tātou mā kua tai tātou ki
Oh, it's my
tēnei
favourite
wahanga.
part.
Kia nei ko. E mea ana koe.
Ai, pono.
All the way pono.
Pono.
E mea ana koe a whole wahanga filled with facts or cacks. Kia
Yes.
koutou te tikanga.
And I've got some facts, and you may think they're cacks, but they're actually quite factual. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was good, wasn't it? Good segue. Now, this is one of my favourite segments. Now, last week, Marcia, you weren't here on Thursday. On Friday, you and I talked about the whale, the ginormous blue whale.
The blue whale that
You
is
can-
living it is sad. We've brought it down to
Yeah.
blue is for sad life because he can't eat anything bigger than a beach ball.
Yeah, and he's the biggest in the world. He's so big. We went missing on Friday. He is so
Your
big.
blue whale's so big.
He's so big that humans can swim through his blood vessels, some of their blood vessels.
Yeah.
That's how big
And
he is.
out the other end.
Yes. But he's also so big that he can't chew, so he can only swallow the amount to a
That's so dumb.
a beach ball.
Huge.
It's amazing.
That's like us eating what? We're stuck on sesame
Dust.
seeds.
Sesame seeds.
Buns. Or like
No,
the
just
seeds
sesame
off the
seeds.
bun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's all you can eat all day. But you're huge. Who ate all the sesame seeds? Who ate all the sesame seeds?
He can actually say he's big boned because he's not eating a lot.
He's not. Poor thing. Anyway,
Blue whale.
I've got some fun factual.
sad.
Yes,
FYI, biggest living thing ever, even
Yes.
bigger than a dinosaur.
That's right.
I know,
he's
right?
Huge. His heartbeat, if you know this chance. His
How
heart,
do you know? Have you met a dinosaur?
His heart is so big it beats once every 10 seconds.
That was twice. Nah.
Anyway, mine is about body this time. So, did you know your thumb has its own pulse? It's its own pulse. Yeah. If you listen to it, du-dum, 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 du-dum,
Yeah.
du-dum. That's it.
That's it.
Your thumb has its own pulse.
So you could. So what does that mean? Like you could cut it off and nothing bad
Oh, it
will
does
happen.
have its own does.
But then feel your other fingers. Pull mine.
Well, actually, to feel your pulse on your thumb, you have to use another finger. So maybe the finger is the pulse.
Yeah.
Oh.
What if?
Wow. Okay, what's yours?
Okay. That's a good question.
Because I've got a good couple more. I'm just ready for this. Okay.
Okay. No. Well, tell us yours.
Oh no, I'm ready for yours.
Oh well, I've got this day in music history.
Of course you do.
Yes, I do. But I'm just choosing which one's the best one.
It's today. Any one of today.
These are like Duran Duran in 1983 appeared live this day.
Wow.
At Apollo, Manchester, England. That's all
Amazing.
that.
That's great. That's
Do you
great.
like Duran Duran?
Well,
Do I?
was Duran Duran? What do they sing? Oh, no, that's Wham. I'm thinking of George Michael. That's
Oh.
Wham. Duran Duran. What do they sing?
Duran? No, she called later. I don't know.
Hi, Duran. Okay. Did you know the goose? No. When you sneeze, a sneeze shoots through the air at 100 kilometers per hour, sending 10,000 germs flying.
Ooh, that is why you did it.
Yeah, isn't that funny though? So
Yeah.
even though you sneeze and it goes,
I
out that
reckon
much,
yours are faster because you're like double the sound.
Mine. Have you heard of Boo? Riyadh?
Just like
Boo's like goes so hard, you think she's like stubbed her toe or something. But if they go out that hard out, that means there's 10,000 little germs every time you sneeze.
Oh,
That's a
that's
lot.
yucky.
It is yucky.
Yucky. Okay, this day in New Zealand history, 1905, special votes cast in general election.
1905.
Yeah.
Oh.
For the first time in New Zealand's electoral history, registered voters who were away from their electorate on polling day were able to cast a special absentee vote at any polling booth in the country.
Wow.
Yeah. See, imagine if like special votes are the ones these days.
Yes, that's right.
Because
They
you're
just get
not
the thing over
there's
the
so
line.
many not at home or whatever.
So 1905 was the first time they had a special vote.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Interesting. My last one for you is...
Last one?
Okay, I've got a couple more there.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, no.
Oh,
no, this is terrible. This is sad. But this is my last one, but I'll do one more first. Stomach acid. Now, stomach acid is what breaks down the food in your stomach, obviously to go to make into poo, and then so it breaks it all down. But stomach acid is...
Oh, is that me or you?
It's you.
Okay.
Stomach acid is so strong enough it can dissolve metal. And it's living in your stomach. Isn't that amazing?
That's out of it.
It's so strong it can dissolve metal in your puku.
Mind ya. Like, have you seen what Coke does to rust?
Yeah.
And then you drink that. Glug, 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 glug.
I know. I've actually put that in the toilet to clean the toilet because I saw
Coke?
because I saw a lady on YouTube do it. I thought, no.
Well, I hope you didn't go.
Anyway, and then she put it in, but she left it for like a half an hour, and it totally worked. And you're like, what? It gets rid of all the stuff on it. So amazing.
Do you like this is
stomach acid?
Just totally random, like this wahanga. It's got another random fact. Do you like pineapple with food? Like cooked food?
I would have it if I had to.
Like
I don't go, let's make a ham.
Hawaiian pizza?
Oh, yes, I would.
Do you agree with pineapples and burgers?
Yeah, I've had it. Yes, I do.
All right. Well, pineapple works as a natural meat tenderizer.
Oh, yes, that's correct.
Yeah.
I've heard this.
Yeah, it's packed with the enzyme bromelain or bromelain. Bromelain. Which breaks down protein chains.
Wow.
Making it an ideal marinade for meats when you don't have a lot of time.
Oh, that's good.
Pine.
I had heard of that.
Apple
but I didn't know.
Yes.
My last one. The longest hiccuping lasted, poor man. Oh my gosh, this is terrible.
Yes.
The longest person hiccuping lasted for 68 years.
Nah, that's dumb.
That is a thing. That's terrible. Oh, that's terrible. For 68 years. No, poor dude.
All right, my last one. Humans are the only animals that don't blush.
Oh.
No, that blush. I was like, we do blush. Humans, only animals that blush.
But we blush.
Yeah, we're the only ones that blush.
Oh, humans. Sorry, right. So animals don't then. You're right.
But they called us animals.
Oh,
You're an
rude.
animal.
You're an animal. You're a kiore homidi kakara.
Kakara. Not the
Hey,
kakara.
Oh, that's great.
And birthdays. Do we have any?
Who do I know that's having a birthday today? Nah.
Nah. Oh, wait, I want to check just real quick.
Happy birthday to ya.
Happy birthday to Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Yes.
Happy birthday. Any birthdays?
Nah, not that I can see.
Happy birthday to your people. Happy birthday. It's enough.
Sorry. If you are celebrating your birthday, that song was for you. Iwa no I tēnei wā, that's e mea na koe. A kia kia no tātou ki te mita o te rohe. Ngāti Hine FM. Here's a jam. It's rain. Hoki mai. Get up. It's Teach Storia.
Hey, I could look for 1,000 years, I wouldn't find no one like you. So why you tryna mess this up? I stick with you like glue. Sometimes we gotta feel the rain so we can heal the pain and fight through. And see the sky blue. You can't tell me love's perfect, but I'll do the work, you deserve it. Sometimes something real comes around, call a Larry out cause she worth it. So don't judge me on my actions, judge me on my intentions. And let's turn these losses into lessons. Kotakumahi, hitatari, inate waro, takuwaro hamo, moaketonu, aratawa tawa takoa, yeah. Hey. What else I gotta do to show you that you're the only one that I go to? Cheating, something that I don't do. Leaving, something that I won't do. A girl, I need you like O2. Just saying no Goku. And I don't need a whole pass. I told you I know what story I wanna go through. Cause we love together like we're best friends. Sex like camping, it's intense. Chat's good and your back's good. We like backwards like it's incense. I don't need you to scold me. I just need you to hold me. And to understand me is not the old me. Etatari inate waroro takuaroha mo aketonu arata watawa Come on, come on, come back to me, girl. Come on, come on, come back to me, girl. Come on, come on, come back to me. Come on, come on, come back to me. Come on, come on, come back to me, girl. Yeah, yeah. Come on, come on, come back to me, girl. Come on, come on, come back to me, girl. Come on, come on, come back to me. Come on, come on, come back to me. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Ngāti Hine FM, iwa te kaumā iwa ira ono, tō mita, tō rohe.
Getting vaccinated is the best way to protect yourself and your whānau from COVID. Your nearest vaccination centre. Visit www.fight4yourwhakapapa.nz. Fight for your whakapapa. Get vaccinated.
If you're having doubts about the vaccine, it's okay and you're not alone. Our Healthline team is here to listen and talk with you about how you're feeling. We're here to talk through any questions you have about the vaccine and your health, and we'll have specialists available if you need more information. There's no pressure, no rush, and calls are free and confidential. Chatting with someone who understands is a great way to help you feel confident about making the decision that's right for you. The Healthline team are here to talk from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m, 7 days a week on 0800 28 2926.
Te Rauora is celebrating our essential workers with the Ngā Mihi campaign. We want to demonstrate our gratitude and aroha before Christmas by saying Ngā Mihi, and we want you to do the same. Visit the Ngā Mihi website and create a Ngā Mihi for our frontline and essential workers. Share your Ngā Mihi through your social media network and stay connected for up-and-coming events, competitions and celebrations. You can find all the details at www.ngamihi.com.
The rhythm of the rohe.
So I'm gonna sip a little more, sip a little more, live a little more, love a little more. I still want ya, even though they say you're no good for me, even though I'm doing this good. Only $1 bill to have fun tonight. I don't want anybody loving my baby. Nobody.
Ngāti Hine FM.
Iwa te kama iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei Ngāti Hine FM. It is 2 minutes to 9 o'clock, which simply means it's time for us to get on out of here.
That's
Before
right.
we do,
Get on up.
I know I said there was no birthdays, but there is, Luke. Rawinia Maihi, Hari Hurito.
Bless.
Kamania e Kake, the twinnies.
Wow, the twins.
Hari Hurito kia korua, rua te koutou. We're old.
Hikaros.
And Queenie Terefa. Hari Hurito kia koe.
Fabulous.
Whole lot of birthdays, and it's actually a popular month.
Wow.
Get it? But I just want to say happy birthday. It was Joey Munro's the other day
yes,
too.
Yes,
Yes.
that's right.
Kazi Grazer. Yeah, all there.
Oh, it's a whānau.
Oh,
It's a
the
whānau.
whānau.
Gosh, the twins are 20. I feel old.
20, you are old.
I remember playing Santa
You're
Claus at
old.
the Kahatia Kapahaka thing, and they were like 6,
Yeah.
7 or 8. Oh, no, I feel old.
Hikama. You all know, have a great day. Hari huri tō kia koutou.
Yes.
Maia maiwa mō tēnei wā. Kia kaha.
Kia Maya!
Kia nifa.
See you tomorrow, everybody!
Woo! You're going to go kōrero, you're going to go home and practice that again.
Not any colour.
Oh, it's not either, but it's from Ruha. Hey, he gave you your jacket.
He did.
Take it.
He did.
Ngāti Hine FM.
Bye.